Welcome back to our channel, viewers. Still searching for the secret to looking young and radiant? What if I told you it's already in your kitchen? Yes, the true fountain of youth might be hiding in your grocery cart. By fueling your body with powerful anti-aging foods, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, you can slow down the aging process and glow from the inside out. And where will it show first? Your skin, your body's largest organ. Let's dive into the top 9 anti-aging foods you should start eating today to keep your skin glowing and your body thriving, especially after 40. 1. Water, the ultimate anti-aging drink. Staying hydrated is non-negotiable. Your body is made of about 60% water, and your skin desperately needs it to stay firm, plump, and youthful. As we age, our thirst signals weaken, so it's crucial to stay mindful about drinking enough. Water helps flush out toxins, regulate body temperature, and improve mental clarity. But most importantly, it helps your skin stay smooth and wrinkle-free. Tip: aim for at least 2 liters of water a day and skip sugary drinks. Your future self will thank you. 2. Broccoli, nature's anti-wrinkle shield. Your mom was right. Eat your broccoli. This cruciferous veggie is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant-rich, and packed with vitamin C to boost collagen, folate and calcium for strong bones, lutein for better brain health. Broccoli can keep your skin firm, radiant, and youthful. Pro tip: eat it raw or lightly steamed to preserve nutrients. 3. Blueberries, tiny berries, huge benefits. Don't let their size fool you. Blueberries are anti-aging powerhouses. They're loaded with anthocyanins, which fight off wrinkles, boost memory, and reduce oxidative stress. Regularly eating blueberries may even lower the risk of Alzheimer's and reverse age-related memory decline. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, or oatmeal for a delicious beauty boost. 4. Nuts, the skin's best friend. Almonds and walnuts especially are loaded with youth-preserving nutrients. Almonds, high in vitamin E, help repair damaged skin, keep skin hydrated, provide sun protection. Walnuts, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, reduce inflammation, strengthen skin cells, help maintain a healthy oil barrier. Snack on a handful daily or sprinkle them over salads. 5. Watercress, the underrated supergreen. This leafy green doesn't get enough credit. Watercress is hydrating and loaded with vitamins A, C, K, B1, and B2, along with powerful antioxidants. It helps reduce fine lines and supports immunity, digestion, thyroid function, perfect in salads, smoothies, or as a topping for soups. 6. Bell peppers, colorful collagen boosters, especially the red and orange ones. These vibrant veggies are rich in vitamin C, essential for collagen production, carotenoids, plant compounds that protect your skin from sun damage, pollution, and inflammation. Eat them raw, roasted, or dipped in hummus for a crunchy anti-aging snack. 7. Spinach, the anti-aging leafy legend. Popeye was onto something. Spinach is a hydration hero and antioxidant powerhouse. It contains vitamin C, boosts collagen. Vitamin A, keeps hair strong. Vitamin K, reduces inflammation. Toss it into smoothies, saute it with garlic, or add it to omelets. 8. Avocado, the creamy green glow-up. Avocados are rich in healthy fats that fight inflammation and give your skin that smooth, youthful texture. They're also packed with carotenoids, defend against sun damage. Vitamin A, helps shed dead skin and reveal a fresher layer beneath. Spread it on toast, add to salads, or enjoy as guacamole. 9. Chickpeas, plant protein for youthful skin. As we age, we need fewer calories, but just as much protein. Chickpeas are a brilliant plant-based source of protein for tissue repair, fiber for digestion and weight control, iron and copper for strong blood and energy levels. They can help lower your risk of heart disease and even support healthy weight loss. Add them to salads, stews, or roast them for a crunchy snack. There you have it, 9 powerful anti-aging foods to add to your daily meals. Aging is natural, but looking and feeling your best at every age, that's a choice. Which of these foods do you already eat? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your favorites. And if you're serious about your health, check out our other videos. 5 superfoods that will improve your health. Swapping these foods will change your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed tips on staying youthful and energized naturally.